Welcome! Today, I'm going to show you a simple and updated method on how to delete a message from a group on the Telegram app on your PC. If you've ever sent a message by mistake or just want to tidy up a conversation, this quick guide will help you do that in no time. First, launch the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Next, from your chat list, open the group where the message you want to delete is located. This takes you straight into the conversation where you can find the specific message. Once you spot the message you want to remove, move your mouse over it and right-click. This will open a small menu with several options. Look for and select Delete Message from that list. Right after selecting Delete Message, a pop-up window will appear to confirm your choice. This is your last chance to make sure you want to delete it. Simply click on Delete in this window, and the message will be removed from the group chat. Depending on your permissions in the group, this action can remove the message just for you or for everyone in the group. And that's it. Just a few clicks, and your message is gone. Deleting messages in a group chat can help keep conversations organized and maintain privacy. Remember, once a message is deleted, it can't be recovered, so be certain before you confirm. With the new Telegram updates, this process is very straightforward on PC and doesn't require navigating through complicated menus. It's perfect if you want to quickly clean up your group chats or fix any accidental messages. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to delete a message from a Telegram group on your PC with the latest update. Enjoy a cleaner, more manageable chat experience.